This technique showed me exactly why my views were stuck at 10 to 15 per video. The best part, it's so easy to learn and implement that you can do it right away and start increasing your views instantly. Hey guys, welcome to this channel. In this next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to increase views on your videos right away. The technique which I'm going to show you is called keyword research and analysis using tools like vidIQ. This will help you to choose the right title, the right description, and right tags which will boost your views to reach a wider audience. You can install vidIQ through your browser extension. So once you install it, you can start seeing the vidIQ analytics tool inside YouTube. Let's start by searching for a keyword phrase. You can see the analysis of this keyword on the right hand side. You can also see some related keywords shared by vidIQ which you can keep a note of. So how to use this analytics? Look for low competition and high search volume. Use the keyword score to get a quick gut feeling about the keywords you are planning to use. You should always look for an overall score of 50 or above. Experiment with keywords to find the perfect score. For example, instead of best budget phones, try best budget smartphones or maybe best budget smartphones 2024. Go through videos in the search result for that keyword and look for higher view count, recent upload date and fewer subscribers. They often indicate trending content. Enable the inline keyword option at the top. Once you enable this, you can analyze which video tags are working for the top ranking videos. Experiment with few of those and see if that helps your videos. I'm on a mission to help 1 million new YouTubers reach their monetization goals. So if you are someone looking to get your account monetized, subscribe to my channel and let's help each other reach our goals faster. Use YouTube search plus alphabetical search to get more keywords. For example, try with the main phrase, the letter A, followed by B and then C. This will give you more options for different keywords. Use keywordtool.io as a keyword research tool. While the free version has limitations, it's still a valuable resource for generating a vast array of potential keywords for your videos. The top 3 keyword suggestions even provide monthly trend data, helping you identify popular topics. Use Google search to get the LSI keywords. LSI or latent semantic indexing is a system search engines use to analyze the other words people use surrounding a given topic. You can find these LSI keywords at the bottom of the Google search page. Once you have finalized the keyword phrases to use in your videos, target this keyword phrase in your title, in your first line of your description, add as your first video tag, and also as a playlist name. This can positively impact your video's visibility in YouTube's algorithm. By strategically placing your keyword phrase in these key areas, you signal to YouTube that your video is relevant to that specific search term. Leverage vidIQ's generate feature to brainstorm and research potential topics for your next YouTube video. To wrap things up, increasing your views isn't just about creating great content. It's about making sure that content gets visibility. With tools like vidIQ and solid keyword strategy, you can significantly improve your chances of reaching a wider audience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.